Deep within an enchanted forest, where trees whisper secrets, we find a serene setting with mystical glow and magical creatures. Introduce the wise owl, perched on a wise old tree, observing the happenings of the forest with a knowing gaze. Enter a playful squirrel, always curious and eager to explore the mysteries of the forest. The wise owl notices the squirrel's curiosity and invites it to learn the secrets of the forest. The wise owl imparts wisdom to the squirrel, teaching it about the balance of nature and the importance of kindness. The wise owl assigns the squirrel a quest to retrieve a magical acorn that holds the key to preserving the enchanted forest. The squirrel embarks on a journey, overcoming challenges and meeting other magical creatures in the quest for the magical acorn. The squirrel, guided by the lessons learned, successfully retrieves the magical acorn, showcasing the triumph of kindness. The squirrel returns with the magical acorn, and the forest is renewed with even greater enchantment, symbolizing the power of kindness. Conclude with a message about the importance of harmony, kindness, and the enduring magic of nature.